Why should anyone seek spirituality? So that's a good question. And why are you here, Steve? I would say that the search for spirituality, it isn't activated by the person themselves. I don't think I've ever met anyone that told me, you know what, I was just bored with life. Everything's going great. I love my life, but I thought, let's maybe seek something else, even though I'm completely fulfilled and I have no desires for anything else because I'm just fulfilled all the time with my work and my job and my life and my wife and my kids and whatever. No, if you're searching for something, then it means you have a lack. You're missing something. It doesn't necessarily mean that you come from deep crisis. Some people come to Kabbalah from deep crisis, it's true, from something that they experienced that was very intense and powerful that really made them question everything they have. And others don't necessarily come like that. I didn't come like that. I came from a desire to seek something beyond this world. I was pretty young when I started studying, about 23, 24, something like that. And I seeked spirituality because I felt that the world I see around me is only a very limited picture, and that there is definitely something beyond this world. And that was my feeling. And it was awakened in me, this feeling. I didn't choose to feel that way. And I don't think anyone chooses to seek spirituality. I think it's something that happens to you. And even if you try and let it go, and many people do, and some succeed for a while, but they always get back again. Why? Because it's what we're evolving to. You can't stop evolution. So either you experience it positively, and you're going in line with nature and bringing yourself into balance with it, or you're, being lazy and you're waiting for nature to push you from behind. And a push from behind isn't always felt as something pleasant. So I would say, why should anyone seek spirituality, Steve? I would say the answer is because they have no choice in that. In the search, in the initial desire for spirituality, I don't think a person has a choice. They can try and quiet down that question, but it's there and it's ticking, and it doesn't let you, it's always like this tingle that's saying, what's happening? What's the meaning of this? Why am I alive? What happens when I die? What do I need to reach? What's beyond this reality?